Hey scientists, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing the first ever cooking video.
First ever?
Yes.
No one's ever done one?
No, like for us.
I know, I'm just kidding. Alright, I'm Maddie.
I'm
Krista's
Krista.
mother type. And what are we going to make?
Chicken noodle soup vegetarian. Vegetarian chicken noodles.
Wait, vegetarian? No chicken?
You said vegetarian.
I know I did. No chicken though? In the whole thing?
Vegan chicken.
Vegan chicken. Okay. Alright. So what else is going to be in there?
Noodles, homemade noodles,
Homemade noodles?
broth.
Homemade broth? That's pretty much all you need, right?
Yeah. Plus
Noodles
some.
and broth.
Plus some. Fake chicken.
Some fake chicken? Oh, okay. Bacon chicken. I didn't even know that was going in there. We can put some in.
It's the way to vegetarian chicken noodle soup.
It's the way. Vegetarian chicken noodle soup with noodles. What kind of noodles?
Homemade.
Homemade. Or are they going to be fat noodles or skinny noodles?
Let's do skinny.
Skinny? That's easier said than done, but we'll try it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
If
Skinny homemade
if you
Hungarian noodles. Yes. Okay. Got it. What in the world? All right. Are you ready? Are you ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
Let's get out some ingredients.
Comment if you're ready, even though comments are off.
How was that? Was that good?
No.
No.
That
Okay.
is terrible.
Oh, stop. Go ahead. What are you doing?
I am pouring the flour into the box
Why are we putting flour in a box?
so that we can make the noodles. When you're pouring in the flour, it feels like it's lifting away, but that's just physics.
Okay. Because the bag gets lighter?
Yep.
All
You
right.
need all-purpose flour. Inched flour.
Enriched.
Enriched. I know how to read cursive. We have 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of, tablespoon or teaspoon?
Teaspoon.
Okay, 1 teaspoon of salt, right? Salt.
Mm-hmm.
And 4 eggs and a stand mixer equipped with a bread hook.
Very good. And
Or dough hook.
are these cold eggs?
These are room temperature eggs.
Oh, okay.
If it is cold, it does not work. Now we will put the dry ingredients into the mixer. Watch carefully as that's exactly why I tried to go slow. Now we put in the salt. And now that was loud. Now, come over here, camera woman. We will flip this over and then we will move it up 2 notches.
Why are we doing this?
So that the ingredients can be mixed. Watch carefully.
That's probably enough.
And then we turn it off. Boom, move that back. And open it.
Okay, what are we doing next?
Then we put in the eggs.
Okay, go ahead.
Again, these are room temperature. Carefully put in the eggs. That's so oddly satisfying. Now we put it back down. Move it back. 1, 2. And then it turns into noodle.
Maybe we want to turn it up a little bit.
Like 2 notches.
Sure.
That is fast. I am flouring the counter
What for?
so that we can make the dough thin to make the noodles.
Okay.
Now we have kneaded the dough into a ball, and now we will let it sit for 15 minutes under a towel. Then we will roll it into a thin piece of dough and then let it sit for 5 minutes while we're making the broth. Now we will be cutting celery, green pepper, onion, and garlic. Now we've got butter in the pan, salted butter in the pan, and we've got the cut up veggies, and we're just gonna push them into the pan with the butter. Now we have uncovered the dough and we're rolling it out very, very lightly, not even pushing down. Got our dough rolled out. Now we are going to wait about 5 minutes so that we can cut it. Now we are going to harvest herbs from the garden. A little bit of thyme, like the plant, not like physically thyme.
How about a little sage?
A little
Cut
sage
that right there.
right here.
Good. How about some oregano? Cut this piece right here.
This piece.
That entire thing. There we go. And how about a little of that basil right in there?
The veggies smell really good, but they're not ready yet.
How do they look so far?
They look good, but still not fully done.
I think we should turn the heat down a little bit or it's going to scorch that butter. What do you think?
Yeah. So
That's good.
to 6 or 5.
Yeah, about down to medium.
Oh, and that's our timer. Got some corn off the cob from my grandparents' farm. And shout out to Lunar for helping my channel grow. Recording.
Okay, we have some... Are you sure?
Yeah, it's recording.
Oh, it's recording. Okay. We have some frozen vegetarian chicken right here. And we're going to cook this really quick in a frying pan with some oil.
Make
It's cooking.
Make sure you have a parent for this.
Yeah, that was volatile. We had another take and it went really, really bad. Okay, so that's cooking in there. We also have some of that corn in here, and you can see the vegetables are becoming translucent, and that's just cooking down, and it's getting great. And we added a little bit of Cajun seasoning and our herbs, and we've got the other half of the herbs right here. We'll add those at the end.
And we've got a spice of your choice into the veggies. Now that it's almost done boiling, we will add the vegan broth stuff into there. Sprinkle it in. You want all of it. And now you mix.
All right, we're scooping up these noodles with a spatula or a turner. Some people call these turners. There we go. And we're gonna just put them right into the pot.
Make sure not to mash them together or else you'll have a giant clump of noodles. There.
And then we stir them right away.
Yep. 10 more minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 10 minutes. We must check on it every once in a while to see how it's looking. Look at that. And these are optional, but you can have biscuits with your chicken noodle soup. Now we will test.
These are big noodles. You almost have to cut them in order to get them on the spoon. You do have to cut them.
Yeah. Which is hard.
All right, I'm gonna try some.
Watch out, you might need an ice cube for this. It's good.
I like it. I think our extra secret spice that we're not telling anyone about really hit the spot in this one, didn't it? But the Cajun seasoning is good in there.
Mm-hmm.
Do you taste the vegetables?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Now it's time for you to try it.
I can't help you anymore because I'm busy eating, so stop talking to me.
I'm not talking to you.
Stop talking to me.
I'm talking to you.
Trying to eat.
It's a squirrel. Get out.